Hey everyone, so I'm going to do an unboxing today of this Tamed Wild. So let's get into it. So it comes in this plastic bag type packaging, and then of course the box itself is right here. How cute. It says with love from Tamed Wild. It's got some really pretty artwork all around it. This way too. So let us see what we got. So this is the Tamed Wild box for August 2021. I'm very excited to see what's in it. These are so hard to open sometimes, so. Okay, let's go ahead and get this guy open. See what is in here. Okay, so it looks like we've got a couple cards. This one says the Spell Garden. So it looks like, oh, this is like the things that are being in the box. And then this is Ritual Tools. It says Corn Husk Doll Kit, Jade Succulant. So these are gonna be the things that we're gonna find in the box. Ceramic Planter, Harvest Season Tea, and an enamel pin, and a moon wall hanging. Ooh, I'm very interested to see what they all look like. All right, so, oh, Corn Husk Doll Kit. So, yeah, it looks like there's gonna be the husks, the rope or twine or whatever that is to braid it. I have never made one of these, so maybe I'll do a video when I actually make this thing, but it gives you the instructions. That looks super, super cool. Very excited to give that a try. And then I'm assuming that this is the ceramic or glass planter. Oh, look, and there's my little succulent. Let's see him. I know nothing about succulents, by the way, people. But he's pretty big. I think it's called a jade succulent. Is that what it said on the card? But yeah, there's my, oh, he's so cute. And I guess he's going in here. If you could see this pattern. It also looks like, I guess it's like a lotus flower or a flower. That's what it looks like to me. Anyway, very heavy, nice weight. Would actually make a really good candle holder as well. So there's that. Then we have, oh, here's that pin. It's a Tamed Wild, looks like a potion bottle with a really pretty feather and some like moon stars and double backing there. So that guy ain't going nowhere. Very cool. I like this a lot. Cute. Then we have something in the bag. Let's see what's in here. And it looks like, let's see what this guy is. This, oh yeah, beautiful. This is the, can you see? The chain, and it's got a clear quartz on it. Oh, it's pretty. Let's see. I'm on an angle, so it's hard to see that way. That's very cool. I cannot wait to hang this. I'll probably hang it in my office. I like it. All right, and then we have the Harvest Season Artisan Herbal Tea. This one's got strawberry leaf, blackberry leaf, hibiscus, rose hips, juniper berry, natural fruit flavor. And oh yay, it was made in Western North Carolina. I'm actually in the very top of South Carolina near Charlotte, so not too far. Very cool, I'm excited. And this, if you can see what it looks like, is what it looks like. Sweet, and I think, yep, that is it. What an absolutely adorable box. I am a fan. Love the tea, the charm or hanging thing, whatever you want to call it. I gotta figure out how to work the succulent guy since I know nothing about him, but he's in there with that really cool planter, I guess is what it is. The pin and the corn husk, which we'll have to do a video on that, this corn husk doll kit. And then the cards. So once again, big fan of this month's Tamed Wild. Thanks so much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.